so this is the brand new Animoji feature that's built into the iPhone 11. And as you can see, it's quite interactive. I'll be showing you how to use this right now in this video tutorial. Also, remember to check out the website www.blogtechtips.com. And remember, right now, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe right now.
Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips, and of course I have the star of the show right here, the iPhone 11. Today we're looking at one of the favorite features that have become a past staple of the iPhones, which is the Animojis. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unlock. Of course, there you go. So the first thing you need to do or know when using Animojis is that you'd have to actually go into the text messages section. So I'm just going to launch text messages, and then we're going to look at how to enable Animojis. So let's go ahead and launch the messages application. I may blur sections of the screen later on. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and use my test. And test is just an account I've created. It's not a real number. It's just something I use for testing purposes. So you might see the number from time to time. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, guys, right off the bat is just select the option. As you can see down here, there's a bunch of options, and the Animoji is this one right here. So I'm going to stop. There you go. And it says here, welcome. Send a message using your favorite Animoji. Create your very own Memoji. And Memoji and Animoji basically works together. So as you can see, it's showing you several variants. So we're going to go ahead is just set up the process. Alright, so I've just selected again. It says welcome, send a message using your favorite Animoji. So what I'm going to do now is just click continue, and here we go. And as you can see here, there are several options on screen. There's a mouse, and let me just move this to the side so I can actually capture my face. So there's this one, there's this one. As you can see, if I rock my heads back and forth, you might not see this, it's happening off screen. I open my mouth, I stick my tongue out, it will respond. And there are several options here. There's this cow. I can even wink. There's a giraffe. There's a shark. Again here, there's a whole warthog, a classic monkey, poo emoji. There's the dragon, and of course tigers and so on. Alright, so these are all the key ones. In order to send an emoji, I'm just going to record something right here. So check this out, guys. Remember to subscribe to blogtechtips.com right now. Do it now. Alright, so I'm going to stop.
Remember to subscribe to blogtechtips.com right now. Do it now. Alright.
Alright, so as you can see, not bad. And this is my initial use. If I am okay with it, I can go ahead and delete, or if I want to, I can just hit the insert. I can also replay, so I'm just going to hit insert, and as you can see here, it's sending. There it goes. It says not delivered, and of course that's because I do not have any data right now. This is a quick test, but of course once you have your plan, texting plan and all that, or data plan, it should work. So if I go ahead, I can also long press. And if you want right now, I could just save this. I can hit more, so I'm just going to hit save, and there you go. Once I've saved, I've now saved it to my gallery. I can go in and look it and check it out. Alright guys, as you can see here, we're inside of gallery. And once you're inside the gallery, you can see it again. So all I gotta do is just hit play, and as you see right there, it's just playing. I'm gonna unmute
Now.
Alright, play again.
Remember to subscribe to blogtechtips.com right now. Do it now.
Alright, so as you can see, works flawlessly. So that's how to use the feature that's known as Animoji, a nice key feature that's built into your devices. You can record these motions, you can save them, and of course I could also share. So if I wanted to, I could tap. As you can see, I can send it through any means I want, and of course once I do that, I'll be able to end up sharing this with anybody, even those on Android or other devices, including Apple devices and so on. Alright guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to use the Animoji feature that's built or baked into the iPhone 11 and even previous versions of iPhone such as the XS and the iPhone X. Bye guys, until next time.